In this video, I want to show you exactly what's included in the BlueTex Cover Repair System sample box. This kit is designed so you can see how the system works before you move forward with a full project. First thing in the box is a 20-foot piece of our 50-inch wide 2mm Pro material. That 50-inch width is designed to fit typical metal building framing, giving you full coverage across the span, plus about a 2-inch overlap so everything lines up clean and installs faster. Next, you get 4 aluminum term bars. These are what hold everything in place and attach directly to your framing to create a clean, tight system. They're designed to fit into your framing and create tension on the material so it stays smooth and flat across the building. We also include the screws that go with the term bars. These are self-drilling and designed for metal building frames. You'll also see a roll of 3-inch white seam tape. This is what seals your seams and helps keep everything tight and finished. It uses a strong pressure-activated adhesive, so once it's applied, it stays sealed and doesn't come apart over time. There's also a sample set of EasyClips. These are used on certain buildings to attach material along the roof line. And finally, we include a utility knife so you can cut and test the material yourself. The goal of this kit is simple. You can handle the material, see how it installs, and understand how everything works together. Once you've gone through it, the next step is easy. Send us a few pictures of your building and your dimensions, or give us a call at 800-595-8772, or email us at support@bluetexinsulation.com, and we'll put together a full material list and quote for you.